Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from NLC India Limited. Name of post is Industrial Trainee Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter. Age limit is 28 years for unreserved category candidates. Here there are total 56 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are contractual job. You don't need any prior experience. Here the stipend will be rupees 22,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 22nd April 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you all that at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses which covers your technical syllabus of the examination. There are many PSU courses available on the website for practice as you can see on your screen. So do visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start preparing for your examination. Website link and coupon code are mentioned in the description box. I wish you all the best for your examination. Friends, next vacancy is from Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is graduation with 60% marks and ACA, ACWA, ACMA, ACS, CFA. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. There are total 5 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary will be rupees 1,30,000. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 10th May 2023. Friends, we have also made a detailed video for this vacancy. You can go and check that also. Friends, next vacancy is from National Handloom Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is Senior Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Here upper age limit is 45 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Noida. It's a permanent vacancy. Here you need to have 12 years of experience. Per month salary will be rupees 1,14,940. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 15th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here name of post is Junior Officer. Qualification asked is graduate with English typing speed of 40 words per minute. Age limit is 25 years. There are total 12 vacancy. Place of posting is in Noida only. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here per month salary will be rupees 32,840. You have to apply through online mode by 15th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Andhra Pradesh State Financial Corporation. Name of post is Manager Finance and Deputy Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or PGDM with minimum 60% marks. Here upper age limit is 34 years. Friends, there are total 6 vacancy for Manager Finance and 3 vacancy for Deputy Manager Finance. Place of posting is in Andhra Pradesh only. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience for manager and 2 years experience for deputy manager at various bank or financial institution with exposure in project appraisal, financing, TEV study, etc. Here per month salary for manager finance will be rupees 1,45,000 and for deputy manager will be rupees 1,15,000. You have to apply through online mode by 15th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Here qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter or PGDM with 60% marks. Here upper age limit is 34 years. There are total 3 vacancy. Place of posting is in Andhra Pradesh. It's a permanent vacancy. Here you need to have 1 year of experience at bank, financial institution with exposure in project appraisal, financing, etc. Per month salary will be rupees 80,000. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 15th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from IIM Kozhikode. Name of post is Academic Associate. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, MCOM or MBA Finance. Age limit is 35 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Kerala. It's a contractual job. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary will be 24,000 plus 2,000 accommodation plus 300 telephone allowance. Very low salary considering the qualification asked. Mode of application is online and last date of application is 18th April 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Aircon International Limited. Name of post is Financial Assistant. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA Inter. Age limit is 35 years. There are total 5 vacancy. Place of posting will be in Punjab, Uttarakhand, Gujarat and Delhi. It's a contractual job. You need to have 3 years of experience. Per month salary will be rupees 36,000. Mode of application and last date is that there is a walk-in interview on 27th April 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from BEML Limited. Name of post is Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Age limit is 39 years for ST category candidate and 37 for OBC category candidate. And friends, there are two vacancies. Both are reserved for ST and OBC category candidate. Place of posting is in Bengaluru. It's a permanent job. You need to have post qualification experience in large engineering industry. Per month salary will be rupees 60,000 to 1,60,000. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 1st May 2023. Friend, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here name of post is Account Assistant Trainee. Qualification asked is BCom with proficiency in computer application and computer course and typing certificate is desirable. Age limit is 34 years for ST category and 32 years for OBC category. Again there are two vacancies. Both are for reserve category candidate. Place of posting is in Bengaluru. These are permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month pay scale will be 16,900 to 60,650. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 1st May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Malviya National Institute of Technology. Name of post is Superintendent. Qualification asked is first class bachelor's degree or its equivalent or master's degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 12. Place of posting is in Jaipur. These are permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Her package per annum is 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 5th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Institute of Petrochemicals Engineering and Technology. Name of post is Assistant Officer Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is first class BCom with full-time first class MBA Finance or full-time first class MCom from a recognized university. Age limit is 32 years. There is one vacancy for SC category candidate. Place of posting is in Chennai. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here package will be rupees 5.3 lakhs initially for 1 year and then will be rupees 9.3 lakhs. Mode of application is offline and last date of application is 29th May 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Name of post is Accounts Assistant Grade 3. Qualification asked is full-time first class graduation in commerce with working knowledge in tally softwares. Here upper age limit is 32 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is in Chennai. Again it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years of experience. Initial package will be rupees 2.6 lakhs for 1 year and then will be rupees 5 lakh. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 29th May 2023. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.